how to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So if you're facing this issue, then you need to start by heading over to your application, YouTube, and you need to log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to click on the profile icon, which will be in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, in this page, you need to scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Get YouTube Premium. So tap on it, which will be on the bottom. Well, if you're trying to buy the YouTube Premium, but at the end it says that it couldn't verify your country, YouTube Premium, well, it might be because you have entered the wrong information of your payment method. If that's the case, then simply remove the payment method that you have entered and then re-enter it. Make sure all the detailed information of the card that you have entered is correct. Once done, you might be good to go. Well, if you're still having the issue, then what else you can do is try using a VPN and then change the server. You will need to select the server where YouTube Premium is available. Once you have changed the server, the next thing you want to do is move on to the settings or the control center, and you will find the settings option right here, or just simply go with the settings application. Inside your settings, you need to head over to apps, tap on apps and then go with manage apps. From here, you need to go with search and search for YouTube. After searching for your YouTube, tap on it and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and then go and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, just go and restart your device and it will fix we couldn't verify your country on your YouTube Premium problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.